Okay, but can I say something for a moment? There are so many small creators out there quitting. So many good creators already gone simply because nobody even cared. Like, you also used to be at 0 likes, 0 subscribers, and you were always begging for at least 1 like. So why not act like they don't deserve a chance? Use this sound, and maybe you will gain your first 1,000 subscribers. So next time you see a small creator, maybe just like or subscribe so they know at least someone cares.